Welcome back. And I have to duck and weave so you can see me. That is my sunroof controller. Yeah, I had it taped up, but one of the pieces of tape fell off. And as you can see, I have no headliner or sunroof shade or, yeah. And all the wires that you see are related to my sunroof. So here's what happened. Don't blame the little Volkswagen. It is not the Jetta's fault that it looks the way that it does. And I'm gonna put this up while I can so it doesn't keep flying around. I was getting my headliner done about 2.5 weeks ago. I let you guys know that that was getting done and I was super excited and thought it would be quick. And they destroyed my sunroof. The glass is fine, but the entire mechanism doesn't work. It will go back. It will not come forward. It tries to tilt when it comes forward and it binds up and it gets stuck. So I don't know if something's missing or broken. I've already replaced the actual assembly itself. I didn't replace the frame, but it still doesn't work. So I am taking it in its state of disarray to hopefully get that fixed, which is unsettling and aggravating because I genuinely don't know what is wrong. And I would love to know what's wrong because I have the lowering springs for it and I have the exhaust and I'm so excited to get started on having some fun with this little car. And it's been in the shop torn apart for a little over a week now as I've been trying to figure out what possibly could be wrong. Yeah. But in other news, we're driving, we're back. I missed you guys last week. I am headed to drop this off with a good friend of mine who runs a Audi Volkswagen service center. See if he can figure out what the heck is wrong with this sunroof. He thinks it could be a programming issue, which if it is, would be amazing because that would basically be free for me and I don't have to buy any more parts. I've already planned to maybe go to a junkyard to see if I can rip one out of a similar 05 Jetta, which has the same assembly as this one. But if not, we'll go back to the drawing board to figure this one out. In other news, the LS will be back on Saturday. So I'm hoping.
Woo! Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for.
That I will have that in this video if it is done early enough tomorrow. Saturday's tomorrow. I think it may actually be done tomorrow evening. So if I can get that one back tomorrow, I will post this video on Sunday and you will see the LS there. But the water pump is done, the serpentine belt is done, the timing belt is done, the rear struts are going to be done as well. So everything is going to be complete and that car will be ready for the final page of the final chapter. I'm going to spend about a week or two driving it and enjoying it. And yeah, it will be time for it to be listed and to go to maybe one of you guys. I've had, I think, 12 people now. I've been shocked. I've been having some conversations with some people that watch the channel that are interested in purchasing that vehicle. And I would love if a subscriber could get it. But if not, it'll go to the Victor. That's really how that's going to go. But it will be back and I'll be able to enjoy it and I'll be able to commute in it for a couple more days. And I'm so excited to have it back because it's been off and on in the shop as I've just been getting everything prepared. It's all maintenance items, nothing was broken. But as I've just been getting ready to give it a good send off to the next person. That way I know it is ready to go. But I have other news. I have some exciting news. I actually got, I think, a car. I put in an offer on a car this week and it is going through inspection. If the inspection goes well, and I'm still kind of crunching some numbers and running some numbers to make sure it makes sense, because again, I do try to buy a vehicle that is not going to kill me on depreciation or on maintenance or anything. So I'm looking at the service records and everything. I'm just kind of weighing the options, but we may have a car, and it is a German brand. It is a luxury brand. It is an older German brand. So I'll let you guys guess in the comments what that car is, but I'm very excited to maybe add that one. I actually had my name on another vehicle and had put an offer out there and was hoping I could get it and blah, 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 blah. And the dealer that it was at didn't keep it long enough. It went away. It was gone at like 2 days. after I had sent over some email and requested to get it. So that sucks. That was going to be a cool one. I'll tell you about it. It's a Dodge Ram 2500, 1999, a little weird, but a 5.9 with a 5-speed in the floor. It didn't have the 6-speed, so it wasn't the high output. It had been a little different car on the channel, but I've always wanted to own one of those 12-valve Cummins. And it was super low mileage, under 50,000 miles. Super cool. It would have been a lot of fun to mess around with. And those old trucks are just cool. That's really it. Been weird for the channel, but yeah. But I do have my name on a German sports car. Oh man, I meant a sports car. I messed up. But a German sports car that I'm excited to maybe share with the channel. So you may be seeing that soon. If not, we'll continue our search if that one falls through. But there are stuff moving, so the LS will likely be gone, possibly replaced by this new car. And we're going to continue to look. I am looking still for an LX or another GX, like a GX 470 or another LS. I looked for an LS. I think I told you guys that it was absolutely cooked. There was a blue one with tan seats that I looked at that had no paint. The dash was all bubbled up. The price in the listing looked like it would be good. Hi. I'm just gonna take that tape off. It is what it is. It can hang. It can hang out where it's at. But yeah, I think that's all I've got to say. That's not bad. Update on the giveaway. It is the end of April, so I'll give you guys a quick update on that. We're up to $150, which is epic. That we're going to be giving. I'm literally just going to get back to you guys for the first 3 months. This channel's monetized. I told you guys that a couple of months ago. I haven't mentioned it at a time, but I'm trying to make it a point to keep you guys up to date. It'd be cool to see that number get up to around 200 bucks. And the winner can pick what that is. It's going to be either some kind of car part or maybe just a gift card or something. I want to do something cool. I don't really want to just give away the cash per se, but that is a whole tire move. Ah! It's an 18-wheeler tire. I had to get over it out of the way. But I don't really want to give away just the cash. I would like for it to be a car part, or I'll probably see if I can give away a gift card to like an ECS tuning or maybe an eBay auto or something like that. That way somebody can get something for the cars. But if you have any questions, as always, leave them in the comments. But also, put your guess as to what you guys may be seeing here soon on the channel in the comments. I would love to talk with you guys and see if you guys can guess exactly what it is. But we'll see you soon. And again, I may have a video on Sunday. You may see that in the second half of this. So who knows?